It is 11:33 a.m. on Monday, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. We are off to see the tulips at Richardson Adventure Farms in Spring Grove, Illinois. Last year we went to see tulips in Holland, Michigan. Holland, get it? Holland, Michigan. They're big on the tulips in Holland, Michigan. We went to this Dutch village, which was awesome, but we didn't actually get to go see like fields of tulips. This year, lo and behold, just an hour away from our house, they've got like this Richardson Adventure Farm tulip festival with like 1 million bulbs. So that's where we're off to today. It is a beautiful day. So beautiful that the farm tulip place is normally closed on Mondays, but they put on their website that they're opening today because the tulips look so awesome and the weather is going to be abnormally great today. We have been trekking our way to the Anderson Adventure Farm to see the tulips. We have gone through construction, drove through Lake Zurich, Fox Lake,
countries,
past the Volo Bog, home of the kitschy but expanded Volo Auto Museum. We were fixing to make a turn on Wilmot Road, headed towards Chain O'Lake State Park. This is what people from Chicago call out, rural. They call this rural. Fully paved roads, stoplights. There's just not a grocery store within 10 minutes. Therefore, it's out. We are count them 2 minutes, 1 mile away from Richardson Adventure Farm. 1,250 feet. Here we is. And it looks like almost nobody's here because it's a Monday. It's 12:31 p.m. We have arrived. Tulip fields this away. Tulip fields, admission, restrooms, etc. to the left. Oh, now we're talking. At least there's some people. The parking apparently is this away. Fortunately for me, I've got a 4-wheel drive vehicle. I really need it for these rough and tumble rural areas like this field that I'm driving in. It's you absolutely need to have the safety that 4-wheel drive brings you. Everyone knows this. It is 1:56 p.m. We have completed our tulip trip to Richardson Adventure Farm. We came, we saw, we tuliped. We feel like it would have been better to come here a week ago because the tulips,
looking a little peaked.
They're a little past. They're a little off, as some people would say. We did manage to grab a few fine specimens that we'll be taking home